Welcome to the Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel, where learning meets limitless possibilities. Abdali General Knowledge Lecture Number 1. Today, we're going to learn all about the Sun, our closest star and a fascinating celestial body. Hello, young learners. Are you ready to embark on a sunny adventure? Let's explore the amazing world of the Sun together. The Sun is a huge ball of burning gas in space. It is the main source of light for our planet, Earth. It is like a big, glowing lamp in the sky. Just like a lamp brightens up a room, the Sun brightens up our entire world. Not only does the Sun provide us with light, but it also gives us warmth. Have you ever felt the warmth of the Sun on your skin on a sunny day? That's because the Sun's rays carry heat with them. This warmth helps plants grow and keeps us cozy. Without the Sun, it would be dark and cold on Earth. We wouldn't be able to see anything around us, and life would be very different. So we can say that the Sun is like a big, bright friend that lights up our world and makes everything beautiful. Besides sun, stars, lamp and fire also give off their own light. Let's move forward and explore the magical moments of sunrise and sunset. Sunrise is the time when the Sun first appears above the horizon in the morning. It's like a special greeting from the Sun, signaling the start of a new day. As the Sun rises, it brings light, warmth, and a burst of colors to the sky. Sunset, on the other hand, is the time when the Sun starts to disappear below the horizon in the evening. It's like a farewell from the Sun, marking the end of the day and preparing for the night to come. The reason we experience sunrise and sunset is because of the Earth's rotation. You see, our planet is constantly spinning on its axis, like a spinning top. During the day, the side of the Earth facing the Sun is bright and sunny, while the other side is in darkness. Let's move forward and learn about the cardinal directions. The cardinal directions are 4 important directions that are like signposts on a map. They help us know where we are and find our way from one place to another. The 4 cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. North and south face each other. East and west face each other. North is to left of the east. Now get yourselves ready to discover how light and objects create these dark, mysterious shapes. Have you ever noticed that when the Sun is shining, you can see your shadow on the ground? Shadows are formed when an object blocks the path of light. Let's imagine you're standing outside on a sunny day. When the Sun shines on you, it sends out rays of light in all directions. When those rays of light hit an object, like you or a tree, some of the light is blocked, while the rest continues to travel. The area behind the object, where the light couldn't reach, is where a shadow is formed. Shadows appear on the ground or on other surfaces, opposite to the direction of the light source. If you move closer to the light source, like the Sun, your shadow becomes longer, and if you move away, your shadow becomes shorter. Shadows also change throughout the day. In the morning or late afternoon, when the Sun is low in the sky, shadows are longer, but when the Sun is high overhead, shadows become shorter. Now we're going to discover a fascinating timekeeping device called the sundial. Get ready to travel back in time and learn how people used the Sun to tell time. Long before clocks and watches, people relied on the Sun and shadows to keep track of time. One of the earliest timekeeping devices was the sundial. A sundial is like a magical instrument that uses the Sun's position to tell time. It's made up of a flat plate called a dial, with a stick or pointer called a gnomon in the center. When the Sun shines, the gnomon casts a shadow onto the dial. The shadow moves as the Sun moves across the sky, and people used this movement to tell what time it was. Let's imagine you're standing next to a sundial in the morning. When the sun is low in the sky, the shadow will be long, pointing to a specific marking on the dial. As the day progresses, the sun moves higher, and the shadow becomes shorter. It points to different markings on the dial, indicating the passing hours. Each marking on the sundial represents a specific hour, helping people know what time it is without a clock. However, sundials have a limitation. They can only tell time when the sun is shining. At night or on cloudy days, they're not as useful. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.